Alright guys, well, welcome to Dice Media TV, a channel that gives you news across the world and also teaches you how to earn money online through airdrops or in all aspects of online making money. Alright, so I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. Those on YouTube, you'll be finding it to the title of this video. You'll be seeing at your right hand side an arrow dropping down. When you tap there is a drop box that will come. You'll be seeing the referral link there, and also you'll be seeing our WhatsApp group link also there. Alright, so kindly subscribe to our channel and also click on the the notification bell, so that anytime we send in any airdrop, you'll be the first person to enjoy from that project. So this is a BABYDOGE coin airdrop that I want to introduce to you. This airdrop is instant withdrawal. This airdrop don't have a date of withdrawal. The moment you get your minimum withdrawal, you can have the access to withdraw it. So when you tap on the referral link in the description box, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So you have to go to start. When you go to start, they will give you a capture code to enter. So you enter the digits in the numbers in the picture. So after that, they will ask you. So you can see it says spent. Welcome to BABYDOGE coin airdrop. We airdrop that is $100,000 to our Telegram users. This is the round 2. So this is the round 2 that they are doing. They are done with the round 1. So join and get, that is 2 million. So 2 billion BABYDOGE coin gift. So that is the sign up bonus. You'll be getting 2 billion BABYDOGE coin. So to enter the airdrop, please first become a member of our channel. So you have to join all these channels. So you have to click on this one, then you join. So you join, you go back, then you go to the live payment, you join that one too. So you can see that, as I told you, the withdrawal are instant. So new withdrawal paid, the person claimed that is 163 billion pieces of BABYDOGE coin. Alright, so you can see the payments are what's going on. Alright, so let's go back. Then after that, you go to join. So you go to join. There's the pop-up menu, and this one too, you can always get a bonus, a daily bonus, which is called a bonus for daily. So the daily bonus is around 50 million BABYDOGE coin. So every day you are going to get 50 million BABYDOGE coin. So for you to get your referral link, you have to go to referrals, and it says for a limited time, join BABYDOGE coin airdrop and get free BABYDOGE as a gift. And for your banner is ready. Send your banner to your friends. So this is the banner, this is the referral link, and you'll be getting 960 million BABYDOGE coin per invite. Alright, so you can go back. So the next thing that you have to do is to set in your wallet. So we're going to let's tap on the wallet and see. Alright, so they say we should set in our wallet address. So you go back to Trust Wallet. So go back to Trust Wallet. Alright, then you go to the symbol on top here. Then you search for BABYDOGE coin, baby. Alright, so this is the BABYDOGE coin. you take it to brew, you tap on it, then you select the receive, you copy the address, you go back to the Telegram bot, then you tap on the set wallet address, then you enter, you paste in the address, then you submit. So it says successfully your BABYDOGE coin wallet is what? BABYDOGE coin wallet address is this one. So let's go to withdraw and see what they will tell us. So it says pent, your account is around 2, that is the 2,050,000, yeah, 2 million BABYDOGE coin. The minimum withdrawal is 50 billion BABYDOGE coin. So when you get a 50 billion, then you withdraw. Thank you very much for being with us. Please kindly note that airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Airdrops are 100% free. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed. Alright, so thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like to the video. See you in another video. Thank you. Bye.